Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. In the last session, we have seen how to change the chart type, and also we have seen how to change the chart layout. Now, today in this session, we will see how to apply a chart style and how to move a chart to a particular location. Now, in order to do these operations, first of all, we should select the chart. Now, I have selected the chart. You can see as soon as you select the chart, you will observe these three options or menus. Which options? Design, layout and format. Okay, if you are outside of the chart, if you have not selected the chart, then these three tabs will not appear on the menu bar, right? So in order to change the chart style, you should click on the design tab. So first step is click the or press the design tab, right? I have pressed the design tab. Now next step is chart style group. You can observe here chart styles group. Among all these chart types or chart styles, select any style that you want. If you are not comfortable with these styles, you can see more charts at by pressing this particular drop down arrow. Now let me press this drop down arrow, right? So here there are lot of designs available. Pick anyone that likes you. Okay, so I'll select this one. It looks like a 3D, right? So this is a new chart style. Again, if you want another one, you can simply press that yes. Okay, select any one of these. Okay, I'll select this now, this one, right? All right, so the chart style changes accordingly. Steps are very simple. Select the chart. Okay, select the chart first, then click on the design tab. In the chart styles group, you just select the style that you want. Now let us see how to move the chart to a particular location. Okay, and the steps are, first of all, click on the design tab. Right now we are here only in the design tab. Now go to the location group. Here the last group is location, and simply click on move chart. Simply click on move chart. You can see here move chart. Now where do you want this chart? If you want this chart in sheet 2, okay, I'll zoom in and show you, right? Okay, now see, if you want a new sheet for this particular chart, you can click the new sheet option. You just press that radio button. This option you have to select and give any name that you want to the chart. The new chart or new sheet will be created with this chart only. Otherwise you can move this chart in sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, wherever you want. Okay, so I'll select a new sheet. I'll show you how to create a new sheet and how to move the chart to the particular worksheet. So first of all, I'll select the new sheet and I will give the name as a data 7th. Okay, data 7th. So a new sheet will be created with the name data 7th, which will only have this population chart. So I'll click OK button. You can see here OK button is here, right? So click OK button. Now you can see a new chart has been created. You can see data 7th is the new sheet. It is a new worksheet and it has only the chart. It has only the chart. Okay, now I will show you how to move the particular chart, to a new sheet, worksheet. So I'll select the move and I'll select object in sheet 1. Okay, object in sheet 1 and then press OK button. Fine. Click OK button. Yes, the chart again populated in the sheet 1. You can resize this chart as per your requirement. Fine. Now again, if I want to move this chart, the same chart in sheet 3, click on the move chart and select the sheet 3 option. Okay, you can see here I have selected sheet 3. If you want to create a new one, select this radio button, click on this and then give the name to the chart. The sheet will be created and in that sheet only this chart will be present. I hope you are getting this session. Okay, now you observe it is sheet 3, so the chart is moved to the sheet 3 and it has only the chart, it does not have the data. So the data is in sheet 1 and chart is present in sheet 3. Okay, so I hope you understood this entire session. In case of any query, difficulty or doubt, feel free to ask me. Thank you very much. Bye. Take care.